Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we're transforming an empty bottle into a DIY spiral potato cutter. Ready to craft your own spring potato machine? Let's get started. First, take an empty plastic bottle. Using a ruler and pencil, mark the center of the bottle cap and then use a drill machine to make a hole at that mark. Repeat this process to make a hole at the center of the bottom of the bottle as well. Perfect! Next, take a steel hanger and use pliers to straighten it out. Cut off the excess end of the hanger. Use pliers to sharpen one end of the hanger, and then bend the hanger twice in the middle. Cut off this end of the hanger as well. Insert the sharpened end through the holes in the bottle. This is how it will look. Now, using a cutter, make a cut in the cap from the center hole to the edge and slightly lift the outer part. Also adjust the inner part with the help of pliers, and then sharpen that part with the help of sandpaper. Ensure that it is sharp enough to easily cut through the potato. Now, take a small plastic cap and drill a hole in its center. Cut this side of the cap in such a way that you can easily insert the hanger into it. And also cut off the excess plastic from inside so that you can insert screws into it. These screws will help us grip the potato in one place. After the screws and hanger are properly placed, apply glue to them using a hot glue gun so that they form a strong bond. Now, this is what the final product will look like, and your spiral potato cutter is ready just from an empty bottle. Let's give it a try and see if our DIY product is working correctly or not. As you can see, it's cutting the potato quite well. Similar cutters are available in grocery stores and online for $10 to $50, but by making it at home, you can easily save that amount. See how perfectly our DIY product has cut the potato. It's fantastic! Let's try cutting this one too and see how it goes. It has cut this one perfectly as well. Now, let's fry these spiral potato sticks and cook them properly. And there you have it, your spiral potato sticks are ready. We hope you enjoyed our DIY project. If you liked it, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.